Greetings heroes, I'm Hercules 0070. Today we're doing a review of the 2100 RGB desktop lighting set. In full disclosure, I did not get paid for this, but I did receive the product free of charge. In this package we have two LED light heads with plastic removable diffusers and two 45cm tripods. The cable is non-removable, it has a built-in remote, and the wall warts were not included. So in the middle of the cable there is a remote, and there's a button on that remote that says RGB. When you click the RGB button, it will change the mode of the patterns of your RGB light settings. There are 27 that I counted, different RGB modes or settings or patterns, however you want to describe it. So I don't have the space for the tripod legs on my desktop. So I put them on top of the monitors to see how the lighting would look at those angles. And it did not turn out half bad. Went through some of the remote settings and went through some of the lighting options, and it looks pretty good. And they look pretty good for adding some flavor to your background. I put them on the floor, one red, one blue, facing the wall. If you want to add a little zest to your videos, you can do this also. If you already have a key light in front of you or side lights and you want to add a little flare, here you go. Alright, so I'm going to use some tripods that are very similar to the ones that came in the package for these lights, but taller, that I purchased off Amazon in the past. I also have some light diffusers that are for different types of lights, but still will work. This is just me using my imagination on things that I already have to try to change the look on my setup. Alright, so this is the final result for my next live stream here on YouTube. I definitely recommend these for content creators. They're easy to use, they're small, and they're light. I added the stands and diffusers. You can customize them the way you like, but there's an Amazon link in the description to go check out this product. And yes, hit that subscribe button. Get notified, because I live stream here on YouTube. We play Nintendo Switch games and PC games. We hang out in Discord and chat and have fun. So please come back, make sure you get notified, and I hope to see every one of you guys soon. Have a wonderful day.